Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl once again, Lizzie. If you're just watching me for the first time, please do subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section below. I love you guys so much, and for returning subscribers, I love you all so much. You are all just the best. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to achieve this with a satin fabric. If this video helps you in any way at all, please turn on your notification buttons so that each time I post you will definitely be the first to know. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I love you all. So the first thing I did was to fold the fabric, the edges of the fabric, and then I made pleats on her head. So the rule for this particular tutorial today is 80-20. One hand of the fabric has to really be longer than the other hand of the fabric. So I'm going to make sure that this is a V-shaped tutorial. So what you have to do if you want yours to also be a V-shaped gele at all, what you want to do is to make sure that the shorter hand of the fabric, which is the 20 part of the fabric, goes behind your model's ear, while the longer hand of the fabric stays on top her ear. That is just the magic and the logic for this. At this point, I'm going to be pinning the fabric so that it doesn't unravel at any point at all. So I'm just going to make sure that everything stays firm and secured on her head. So I'm going to pick up my fabric right now, and then I'm just going to make pleats. Thereafter, I'm going to take the fabric round the front of her head the way you can see me do in this video. But because this fabric is soft, you want to make sure that you are using a lot of pins so that it doesn't unravel at all. So I'm going to be creating a ruffle in front of her head, just right there. So guys, the beauty of this whole video today, the beauty of everything that I'm doing today is what I am doing at the front of her head, is the ruffles that you create and how you make pleats out of them. So I'm just going to take the remaining part of the fabric and I'm going to create another ruffle in front of her head, making it two ruffles that are going to be there at this point. So I'm just going to also make sure that I pin this down properly so that it stays firm on her head. So this is actually the beauty of this whole tutorial that I'm doing today. So guys, you want to use a lot of pins like I said, because you want to make sure that everything stays in place and it doesn't unravel at any point. This is very, very important. If you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie, be it ASO'OKE, satin fabric, on your head or on your model or clients, please do that, because it's really going to help you to know how to, and it's going to help you to improve on your skills. It's very, very important. So I'm just going to keep using my pins so that everything stays in place. I still have a little bit of fabric left at this point. I'm just going to create a little ruffle in between the two ruffles that I have created. That is what I am going to do at this point. Just pick the remaining fabric that is left and just create a little bit of ruffle in between the two ruffles that you have created. I'm using 1 yard of this satin fabric today to achieve this. I'm just using a yard. If you use 2 yards, it's going to be too much. So just a yard of satin fabric should be enough for you to achieve this. So guys, I'm just going to twist the remaining part of the fabric and pin it right there at the back. And here is what everything at the back should look like. I'm going to make it closed at the back. I love you all so much. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section below. I love you guys so much. If you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. I love you all so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.